The Medusa Bun is simple in concept, but takes a fair amount of effort. You're going to start with a ponytail. I'm going to put my ponytail back with these pro hair ties that I love, and you can see more about them from the link in my description. Let me rebrush this out. Okay. And I have prepared a whole bunch of bobby pins, traditional bobby pins. Yeah. My eye. Ice. You have ice, yeah. So we're going to take sections, small sections, and twist them a whole lot. I don't use traditional bobby pins often, but I just found out that apparently the wrinkly side is supposed to go towards your scalp. Okay, then you just keep doing that. Okay, there you have a Medusa bun, also known, I believe, as a Wiggle Bun. And I just did one bobby pin for each of these wiggles or snakes. Get some decent traditional bobby pins for this. I tried to get some from the Dollar Tree and they were terrible. They look so much the same that I don't know why they didn't work, but the real thing, like from Walmart, works great for the few times when I actually need the traditional style of bobby pins.